Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A quick video on ticker symbol BOXT because this thing has been running for last few days. It was up 91% today and down 22% after hour. But if you look at last 5 days of chart, up 81%. Okay? Even though if you look at 1 month chart, it was around 0.63 and the price is now 0.34, which means it came down 45%. But if you look at last 5 days and even last 1 day, this thing has been going up. So what we did actually pre-market, we made a plan around 9 o'clock. You can see that the price was around 0.222. So we had two ideas. Either if it dips, we will get at 0.2. I will show you in the chart why, or breakout if it breaks 0.26. Then we are going to play this. Our price target was 0.26, 0.3 and 0.36. I'm going to show you here why we made those plan. And by the way, if you want to join my private community, you want to get entry exit for different ticker symbol with stock option, not only from me, from other analysts as well, then go to the link patreon.com slash the stock analyst. I will leave the link in the first comment so that you can join and you can get access to our alerts. So why we made the plan, if you look at pre-market, it was trying to hold this line, right, 0.2, right, 0.2 area. That was the plan because it was running. If you see the pattern, went up, came down, made 0.15 as the support, then it pushed another way, went to 0.26, came down, held 0.2 as a support. You can see after hour and pre-market 0.26, the blue line, couple of rejection and came down to 0.2. So that was the plan. If it dips after the market open, we grab at 0.2, or if we see it is going higher, then after the break of 0.25, 0.26, we will enter because we see some rejection here. So the breakout was needed. So you can see that once the market open, it broke that 0.26, which was triggering your entry. Then it went all the way to 0.34, came down, but what happened, the blue line, which was the prior resistance, became the new support. You can see it came to 0.25 and it bounced, well, all the way to 0.4, then came down, tested few times 0.36 area, then it fell down. Now why these lines are so important, if I go to a 30-minute chart, you will see that why this is so important. 0.36, see here, that area was acting like a support, so it broke. So we know when support breaks, next time when the stock tries to go up, it hit that line as a resistance, so it makes sense, right? The other area which is very important, which is around 0.42, so we thought if it can break 0.36, it can go towards 0.42, 0.43. So it went almost like 0.41, then it came down. But if you look at the chart, this is how it is looking like. Few important things. If you go to the volume, it is very exciting because if you look at the last few bars, back to back 3 days, it is getting more volume. So it was below 25 million, the next day it is close to 100 million, and today it is almost 175 million. So volume is coming. In terms of short interest, if I go to the short interest, you can see that the short interest is 14%. The short interest is high, and if you also look at the last 3 months, the short interest has gone up by 208%. If I change this to 7 days, you can still see the short interest is going higher. Let's look at last 2 days. The short interest went up by 11%. So price is going higher, shorts are adding more position to their short side. At the same time, volume is coming. So this is looking really, really good. Now if it comes down, and Yahoo is showing it has an earning tomorrow. I have to check is it true or not, but in Yahoo it is showing the current price is around 0.26. So the blue line 0.25, 0.26, that's the important area. If it can hold that line, I think if it can hold that line and volume comes, this thing can go up again. It will have some resistance around 0.3, 0.36 and 0.42. So keep an eye. Other than that, looking at the chart, it goes up, comes down, goes up 0.2, comes back to 0.15, 0.25, comes down to 0.2. It did a nice push, so it's okay if it comes down, and if it can hold 0.25, we will keep an eye. Okay, I think the earning is tomorrow, so we will see. Earning is always a gamble. we have to see. Okay, but anyway, wanted to make this video for you so you know how this thing has been moving. So if I go to a 3-minute chart, see how this is moving after our 0.29, acting like a resistance. At the same time, it is trying to have a bottom around 0.26. So we played few other stock today as well. POXD, then ZURA, then our members brought some other stock, then we have our option analyst. So together we are a nice group, and actually we did really good. Like, it is only me, then we have Pro Trader, we have SPX SPY option, we have Top Hat alert option, we have Clint, we have Hidden. So many things are happening. As a community, we are doing really good. If you want to be part of this community, then I would suggest spend 15-20 bucks for 1 month, which is 50 cents per day, nothing, right? So go to patreon.com/ the stock analyst, join there, get access to my Discord, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.